It's been a long time since I've posted any videos because I've had 2 hip replacements and I'm still recovering from them. I've progressed to the point where it's better than it was before I had them done, but I'm still not all the way back. But came out this morning, went to get into my Jeep Rubicon, turned the key, and everything went dead as soon as I turned the key. So what I have done already off camera is I put a voltmeter on the battery. I had 12.59 volts, so we know that's good. So we're going to be doing some troubleshooting and hopefully figure out what's wrong with this thing. And by we, I mean me and my grandson. So when I got in the Jeep this morning, I still had the windshield wipers turned on from last night when I came home, and they came part way up, and I don't know whether it was whenever I tried to turn the key to start or whether I turned the key to on. Seems like it should have been when I turned it to start they quit. But I'm gonna have my grandson open the door to the Jeep and check out 2 things. Does the light come on inside? And does the total mileage for the Jeep come on the dashboard? So we're going to have him open the door and we're going to look inside, see if we get lights. We do not get lights. And is there a mileage indicator on the dashboard? No mileage indicator on the dashboard. So get in and turn on the headlights.
Low beams?
Low beams, yes. And is it on? Did you turn it on? Okay. Nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
So what else did we have you do? Turn on the key to on.
Key's on. Do you want me to try and
Nothing happens. Push clutch all the way to the floor. Try to crank it. Nothing happens. So apparently what we have is a good battery and nothing electrical works. So to me, that's probably one of 2 things. Either the ground wire is totally disconnected or the hot wire is totally disconnected. So that's the first things we're going to try to look at. So I didn't have the camera running, but I came in here and I wiggled the wire on the battery post, positive battery post, and I hear the key in the ignition have bright headlights. Turn the headlights off. Get in, push clutch all the way to the floor and try to start it.
All right.
I love it when it's an easy fix. Apparently we got to take the battery cable off, clean it up, put it back on. Checking these other wires here. There are several wires but it seemed like as soon as I moved that, everything started working. So we're going to clean that up, put it back on, test it again, and I'm suspecting that everything will work and we'll be done and we can get back to our original plans for the day. So I don't like these type of battery connectors, but if you look real close, I'm going to try to was wiggling it and you could see it move. I can't hold the battery or the camera steady in the.
I can hold it steady if you need to.
You can see there's a little wiggle between here and the post. I think you can see that. Simon, you want to hold the battery or the camera and see it's a little bit loose. So we're going to take that off. These are weird. You just take this and loosen it, and that somehow loosens it. That's why I don't like them, because it's not like you can just tighten it more and bear down on it. But we have found our problem, and once we clean that up, put it back on, I'm sure it's fixed. Okay, I decided to let my apprentice use the Dremel tool and clean up the battery terminals. Does it look clean?
Looks better.
It looks pretty shiny. Now he's going to go after the post a little bit. You might need to up the speed on that.
Looks better.
Okay, let's clean the, we're going to do the same thing on the negative post and clamp to make sure we've got good connections all around. Can't get a picture of that. That negative post doesn't want to move, or cable doesn't want to move very far out of the way. Okay.
I'm gonna do 2 with this because we didn't get that one that clean.
Okay. Well, okay, the terminals are clean. Now we're going to start putting them back on. Positive first. Push it on as hard as you can.
There we go.
And tighten down the nut. See if it wiggles. No wiggle. Should be good. Likewise on the negative. Always do the negative last. It's easier if you just run that down with your fingers.
Safety.
Okay, get in there and test the headlights and fire it up and make sure it works, and
I will need the key.
we'll call this a wrap. Okay, my assistant is reporting that the miles on the vehicle showed up as soon as he opened the door. Keys in, I can hear the chime.
Okay, windshield wipers are off.
Okay,
You want to try and start it?
start it.
Alright. Starting.
Headlights are on. Okay, turn the headlights off. Or turn them to automatic is where I usually put them. Turn the headlights to automatic.
They are on automatic.
Oh, you know what? That's because the Jeep has just been run and it's waiting to, it gives it 45 seconds or so and they go off. Okay, take the key out. There you go, they're off.
Key off.
So, easy repair on what could have turned out to be something nasty. I love it when you get them fixed with the easy thing first. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.